So we're going to do our scrapbook pages for May. So what you're going to do is you are going to write your month and featuring here. So the month, I'm just going to write on this little piece of paper because I don't want to write it on my page here. So the month is May. So make sure you put May right there for your month. And then featuring is going to be Flat Stanley. And then write Flat Stanley on your page. And remember, you write the whole thing in pencil and then you trace it with pen. So go ahead and write May and Flat Stanley there. You're going to glue on your strips of paper. I've already taped on your postcards. Now some of you, yours may look a little different. If you don't have two postcards, you might just have one postcard like this. Okay, a lot of you have two postcards. You also might have your postcard facing the other way. Okay, so what you're going to do is you have a Flat Stanley. You are going to color and cut it out. Now when you cut it out, try to make it so the little dotted lines don't show. If you have two pages like this, you want to put your Flat Stanley right here to cover up the words. And I've taped it so that you can flip it and see what the postcard says. If you only have one postcard, then go ahead and put Flat Stanley right here. Now this piece of paper is to cover up the white space on the other side. So let's say you put your most of you are going to put your Flat Stanley here. It's going to flip open like that. And then over here, you're just going to put this paper so that it looks better. Now, a few of you had a card that were glued down. Well, you don't need a piece of paper if you have a card glued down because there's already that white paper, the letter right there. Okay, so hopefully you're getting this. You want to use these two things to cover up underneath. You don't want it to say, you don't want to flip it over and say place photo here. You got to cover that up somehow, right? Okay, if you do it wrong and you flip it this way, that would still work, right? You just want to cover up that area with these two items. So you're probably going to have to color it. There are a few people who colored their Flat Stanley and put their name on it, so I knew whose it was. But most of you have to color your Flat Stanley. Okay, now for your writing. When you come to Zoom, we might talk about this a little bit, but you're going to just write about what we did. So we read a book called Flat Stanley, where Stanley got flattened and then mailed to his friend. So we made paper Flat Stanleys and mailed them to people. We asked them to send us a postcard. So all you have to do is tell what we did. And then over here when you can say this is, you can say this is my postcard from, and you can just say where it's from. If you got two, you can say this is my postcard from Texas and wherever the other place is. You understand what you're saying? So here you need to put what these postcards are and then make sure you color the frame. So you're just finishing this because we're finishing up our scrapbooks this week. And you need to finish this so that we can get our last page. You also have other postcards, some of you, that I sent home. So you can just keep those. You could also, I'm going to put a couple of extra page protectors in the back of your scrapbook. If you want to just slide your extra postcards, if you have them in there, that would be fine. Or extra pictures or extra work that you've done that you really like. That would be something you could put in the back of your scrapbook. But let's get this May page finished this week.